This will be a video chart on ticker symbol GOFF. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. I think this is about the third or fourth time I've done this one now, and like I've said before, each of these videos, this one is being done by one of those large promotional companies, so there's lots of eyeballs on this one, and the thing with these is they can make really good moves, which has been the case with this one, but kind of at any point, once the plug gets pulled, things can get a little bit nasty. So just keep that in mind. Charts are useful, but only to a point. Mainly, and this is how I've been using them, is by watching support levels. It'll give you an idea to kind of gauge the measurement and strength of the current program that's going on. So like I said, when I first started with the videos, the price was down here, mapped out some levels that you would want to see hold, and lo and behold, those levels continue to held, and now the price is all the way up here in the 50s. So we're just gonna, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We'll map out some more support levels and monitor those, and if those ones continue to hold, then we'll just keep on going with it. So the first level to watch that I see is right here, and we'll call this right up at 48.5 cents. This isn't an exact area, but it pertains to some areas right around the chart. You can see a candle closed there, basically the low of a candle. Then a few times the price did drop below it, but managed to close above it. So 48.5 cents, while it is a level of support, I'm not going to call it the make it or break it level, but it is one nonetheless to keep your eye on and see if that can continue to hold. And actually, even in the shorter term, and I'll leave this line just skinny because yes, it's a support, but it's not like if the price falls below it that the chart's history. But right up here at 50 cents, you can see bounced nicely there and has really been holding up above 50 cents. It dropped below it a couple times, but every time it's closed, it has been back up above the 50-cent level. Another level of support to keep an eye on, it's going to be right up here, and we'll call this level at 44 cents. That's just taken from previous highs, so that'll be another level to watch. And again, each one of these supports is just measuring the strength of the program and the move. So as each one breaks, it becomes more and more of a concern. But again, if these couple break, I wouldn't feel comfortable saying that the play's over. But if you get down here, kind of like this candle was, luckily it was able to bounce, then that's where your warning flags got to go up a little bit more. But as the chart just showed today, and I'm assuming this wasn't a fat finger trade, but this purple line here, which is a 50 period moving average, is going to be the one that you're going to really want to keep an eye on. As long as the price can hold above here, then there might be some more games like this where it's pulled down and then bounced back up. But that'd really be the make it or break it, in my opinion at least, of the level that needs to continue to hold as support. Resistance wise, pretty straightforward, right around here at the 53-cent level, or where it bounced up there at 54 cents. So those will be the current levels of resistance. But all in all, great play ever since we started covering it from those first videos. And like I said, as long as the support levels keep on holding, then we'll keep on updating them so everybody's got an idea of kind of how to measure the strength of the current program. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. And when you sign up, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader and make an investment into your education as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was GOFF. Thanks for listening.